Set up your own affiliate program in minutes with a 14-day free trial. Get started. Free trial, sign up. Stay focused on your affiliate program and allow us to integrate your current e-commerce website with Post Affiliate Pro. 14 days free trial. No CC required. .postaffiliatepro.com. Send me product updates and other promotional offers. Sign up. By signing up, I accept TNC and privacy policy. Building your Post Affiliate Pro. We appreciate your recent sign up for a Post Affiliate Pro. Take a look at Post Affiliate Pro from the inside. Intuitive dashboard for both merchants and affiliates makes it easy to navigate and manage your affiliate program. Karen Peterson. Simply Fun Families. These folks offer 24/7 live chat with very skilled technicians, as well as phone support for when I just cannot easily explain my questions in a written format. Brian Greenberg. True Blue Life Insurance. I looked and tried several affiliate software services, and Post Affiliate Pro has the most options to create a great partner program. I was able to set up several actions at different payment amounts to pay affiliates for completing specific goals on our website. Rick Slot. Slotozilla. For the longest time there have been 2 cases of exceptional B2B assistance in my professional career, and I am pleased to say that Post Affiliate Pro has made the list with both their software and their support. Post Affiliate Pro seems to have a model which can be called a mission or a vision, and they stick to it. Chris Master George. Lindy Skin. I was very impressed with the skills and determination of Martin Pullman on your support team. He managed to work through some difficult install issues for us and did not quit until everything was resolved. Assel Scarpengland. Findex. We have been using Quality Units Post Affiliate Pro, Post Affiliate Network, and LiveAgent for many years. These products have helped us build our business, simply because they are so reliable and flexible. We can even support customers in several countries and languages. Eli Peddlety. Law of Attraction Singles. Quality Unit has one of the most helpful and knowledgeable support teams on the internet today. In my 4 years of full-time online marketing, I have only come across a few online businesses where I felt the online support was 100% dedicated to my success with their products. Simon Renstrom. Rebel Betting. We're happy with having a professional solution for managing affiliates and payouts. We're especially impressed with the technical support that is always exceptional. Iris Mack. MathQED. The customer support team is extremely helpful and responds to our questions in a very timely manner. The MathQED team is really excited about using the Post Affiliate Pro tracking software to grow the MathQED affiliate program. Andre Knight. FX Knight Trading Academy. I cannot say enough good things about this product and this team. A fantastic getting started checklist takes you through all the steps, and a live chat button is just a click away in case you need help along the way. Henk Jan Bergevooet. Azurselect. We've been using Post Affiliate Pro for many years, starting with PAP version 3 and now using PAP version 4, and can honestly say it's been a pleasure working with the team. Their support is excellent and the additional add-ons and features provided within their program were clearly developed by people who understand what you really require. Previous next. Powerful affiliate software. Post Affiliate Pro offers the right portion of affiliate software features, including a powerful tracking system with unique tracking methods, types of commission, promotion materials, and comprehensive reports. Hundreds of affiliate features available at the moment. Watch video. WordPress. Magento. BigCommerce. Stripe. Avi. Shopify. PrestaShop, Xcart, Aweber, Joomla, MailChimp, PayPal, Drupal, Ecwid. Over 170 plus CMS and payment gateways. Integrate Post Affiliate Pro with any website or shopping cart yourself, or use one of our pre-made connectors. Free mobile apps. Stay in touch with your affiliates and manage your affiliate program even outside the office. Check traffic, stats, and get push notifications about your new affiliates in real time. Approve or decline affiliates on the go. Interface is available for merchants and affiliates. All with Post Affiliate Pro app. We help companies get more sales by creating their own referral programs. Mattis Prastiak, Customer Service Ninja, Martin Slostan, Customer Care Pro, Janka Kavulikova, Customer Happiness Advocate, Martin Pullman, Support Wizard, Martin Svidek, Support Mage, Jakob Pales, Support Weasel, Sebastian Slusnik, Support Sorcerer. You are backed by a 5-star customer service team. Number 1 rated in most reviewed affiliate software. Based on 400 plus reviews on 3 independent software marketplaces and review platforms. 14 days free trial, just 1 click away. From starting your own affiliate program. Start free trial. FAQ. What is an affiliate management system? An affiliate management system is a tool or software that allows you to track affiliate clicks, sales, and sign-ups. An affiliate management system allows you to manage your affiliates by assigning them tasks, issuing payouts, and generating reports. What is an affiliate partner? An affiliate partner is a third-party partner that promotes your product or service for a commission based on your service agreement. What does an affiliate manager do? An affiliate manager's daily tasks include but are not limited to reviewing pending affiliate applications, responding to questions of current and potential affiliates, recruiting, creating and updating banners, reviewing compliance, and reporting KPIs. How do affiliates get paid? Affiliate marketers get paid by recommending a product or service to their followers through a unique affiliate link. Once a follower purchases the product through the link, the affiliate marketer gets paid a commission for the sale.